Hello YouTube, it's me, Lumpy Stuff, and today I'm going to help you fix trying to go onto the NVIDIA control panel. If you're trying to click onto the NVIDIA control panel and you have a sign that's coming up saying you are currently not using a display attached to an NVIDIA GPU, it could be really simple. This is going to help anyone who's on PC using a tower. What you've done, or what I've done as well, is the HDMI that goes from your monitor to your tower is in the wrong part of the tower. So if you look on your PC tower, you'll have a HDMI slot at the top and a HDMI slot at the right at the bottom. You want to put it right at the bottom. So obviously the top one is going to be your motherboard and the bottom one is going to be your driver. So what you need to do is take your HDMI out of the tower from the top and stick it as low as it can go at the bottom. Obviously you'll find where the HDMI goes, there should be another one right at the bottom where your driver is, and just plug it into there, and that's going to help you go straight onto the control panel. As soon as you've done that, restart your PC and you'll be able to use the control panel. So if this helps you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe, and if you like streaming, go on to mixer.com and follow me, Lumpy Stuff, all in capital letters. So I hope you all take care. I hope this did help you, and I'll see you again shortly.